Welcome back to AutoBuzz360, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most anticipated bikes in the sports touring segment, the 2025/2026 BMW R 1300 RS. Sleek, powerful, and loaded with innovation, this machine is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement on two wheels. Let's start with what grabs your attention first, the design. The new R 1300 RS takes a bold step forward from its predecessor, the R 1250 RS, with an updated aerodynamic fairing, sleeker body lines, and a sharper front profile that screams performance. BMW has carefully sculpted the design to balance aggressive aesthetics with long-distance touring comfort. It still wears that iconic boxer DNA proudly, but it now looks leaner, meaner, and more refined. Under the skin, BMW hasn't held back. The heart of the R 1300 RS is the all-new 1,300 cubic centimeters flat-twin boxer engine. This new powerplant delivers an impressive 145 horsepower and 149 Newton-meters of torque, giving you explosive acceleration and effortless overtaking power, whether you're carving through mountain roads or eating up highway miles. BMW has tuned the engine to deliver power smoothly across the rev range, so you always have torque when you need it. The transmission is buttery smooth with a standard 6-speed gearbox, and optional Shift Assist Pro means clutchless upshifts and downshifts for those who want that extra edge. The shaft drive continues to be a favorite among BMW riders for its low maintenance and reliability, and of course, it's present here too, quietly doing its job with precision. One of the standout features of the new R 1300 RS is its advanced frame. BMW has introduced a brand new steel shell main frame which is lighter and stiffer than before, improving handling dynamics and stability at high speeds. Combined with the new Evo telelever and paralever suspension systems, this RS handles like a dream, agile in corners, composed on rough roads, and rock solid on the highway. Technology? The R 1300 RS is packed to the brim. A massive 6.5-inch full-color TFT display offers everything from navigation to ride stats, Bluetooth connectivity, and vehicle diagnostics. It's crystal clear in all lighting conditions and can be controlled through the intuitive multi-controller on the handlebar. You also get adaptive cruise control, a radar-based safety system that maintains distance from vehicles ahead, a game-changer for long tours. Let's not forget about rider modes. You get 4 standard modes: rain, road, eco, and dynamic. Each one adjusts throttle response, traction control, and suspension to suit your riding style and environment. And if you go for the optional Dynamic Pro mode, you unlock customizable settings to fine-tune the ride exactly the way you like it. BMW has also taken safety to the next level. You get cornering ABS Pro, dynamic brake control, traction control, engine brake control, and Hill Start Assist, all working seamlessly in the background. These systems give you the confidence to push harder, brake later, and ride longer without worry. Comfort has not been compromised in the pursuit of performance. The riding position is ergonomically tuned to give you a sporty yet relaxed stance. The seat is redesigned for long-distance comfort, and heated grips come standard, perfect for those chilly morning rides. There's also an electrically adjustable windshield that lets you control wind protection on the fly. Storage options are plenty, thanks to optional hard panniers and top cases, making this bike truly tour-ready. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a cross-country journey, the R 1300 RS is built to go the distance. Fuel economy is also impressive, considering the performance on tap. With a 17-liter tank, you can expect a range that easily crosses 300 kilometers, depending on how spirited your riding style is. And with BMW's legendary build quality, this bike is engineered to last, both mechanically and aesthetically. In short, the 2025/2026 BMW R 1300 RS is a perfect blend of sport bike excitement and touring comfort. It's fast, it's smart, and it's built with the kind of attention to detail that riders have come to expect from BMW Motorrad. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a daily commuter, or an adventure seeker, the R 1300 RS has something for you. That's all for today on AutoBuzz360. If you love this detailed look at the R 1300 RS, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive. Until then, ride safe and keep exploring.